Beauregard Rippey, I'm clear east. So yeah, that water tower would be north. But I think I'm clear on the east end of the show in the first row by the automobile parking. And I've never been down this far for a few reasons. One of them is if you come on Saturday, no one's here in this part. And it's always like 1,000,000 degrees. So if they're here Wednesday and they're here, they set up like on Sunday. The show starts Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You're wore out completely. You're leaving. It's 1,000,000 degrees. There's no shower. Where are you going to take a leak? You know. Haven't even met. Okay, I know these people. Yeah, that's the people I bought my tires from over there. Huh.
I don't know where I've seen it at.
They're in Portland. No wonder I didn't see him here. But anyway, he doesn't sell weed eaters. Cool. Anyway, the vendors showed up, and we're hoping the collectibles did too. Check him out. He's surviving in the back of his truck there. Those things go down the road pretty good. That's a dually truck too. It's well capable to handle a slide in. So have your own Bridgeport or lathe in your house right here. Pick one up. Cheaper by the dozen. Oh, Snap-on, yeah, I bet that's cheap. So now we're at the end of the road. Looking for the steel dealer over here. You just don't know a guy who has one hit miss engine. And it seems like every guy you see that has them has like a trailer full of them. I'm digging the Aries dual stage over there. So they do the dozers demonstrations. The guy has that pop-up tent up on the front of the gooseneck trailer. Looks like a hunting tent. There's a transaxle for 65 bucks for you. Replacement axle. I'm skipping this whole row. That poor guy there with his $100,000 pickup truck. Poor guy. So, this is something unique. It looks fake. He's put a Long Boy sticker on something. It's only $350. It's kind of a neat idea. What's this guy? Isn't that cute? A Kubota. This was when they were illegal to bring in the U.S. And they snuck them in. Pre-banned. A pre-banned Kubota. Wow. And the Toro. Block wheel horse. Out of South Bend. This guy's really loaded, isn't he? Wow. Like cordwood. Attachment galore. Decks even. Original trailer. That's what you're here for, guys. We'll skip this road too. Man, I'm surprised my friend's selling his stuff here because there's so much competition, man. $1,600 on her, guys. Looks like something they used to lay the pipeline. Yeah, $900 on this one. There's a Big Daddy. Woohoo! The Stretch. Sounded good. Cruising in style. I'm getting lost. I'm not even kidding you. A Ringer washing machine over there. So I feel like I beat the crowd in a way. It's not too awful crowded. You saw new replacement parts and military surplus. A little bit of everything here. So they got a part. Is that my friend over there? He's got a part row, a short row, and a long row, and then the flag's out. I'm walking due east. They have new gravel down. Did you notice that? The drill bit guy. So before I go on too long, I'm gonna shut her off here. A carousel horse right here. Oh, it was from the playground. Car spring. A serious tire kicker right there. And a lot of collectibles. My head's spinning already. Thanks for watching my videos, everyone. Bogart Rippy here, just cruising the show in Portland, Indiana. Thursday morning. Thank you.